Hello friends, welcome back to the Sparkle Twins. It's me, Miriam, and today our topic is global warming. Let's get started. First, before we actually learn about global warming, let's learn about a greenhouse. First of all, what is a greenhouse? A greenhouse is a small house made of glass. Okay, now we know how a greenhouse looks like, but what does it do? Well, greenhouses keep plants away from the cold. It keeps plants warm and not freeze in the winters. In winters, they use greenhouses more because in winters it is cold, so they need to keep their plants warm. And greenhouses have lots of carbon dioxide in them. Now, what is carbon dioxide? Well, carbon dioxide is a gas that captures heat. It is a powerful gas that captures heat. So the greenhouse captures all the heat, and that comes from the sun in our planet. There's a sun, and the sun gives heat to earth, and it keeps the plants warm. Okay, now we understand what a greenhouse is, and we also understand what carbon dioxide is. So now let's actually learn about global warming. Well, global warming is when the earth reaches a point where it is boiling hot. Global warming happens through many reasons. Well, a lot of those reasons are because of human activities, like gas that comes from factories, burning fossil fuels, gas that comes from vehicles, etc. All of these always cause global warming, but we still don't understand global warming that much. Okay, so first let's learn about our planet Earth a little bit. So Earth constantly gets heat from the sun, okay? And it's not the sun that gives too much heat. No. It is how much carbon dioxide Earth has. As I told you before about the greenhouses area, carbon dioxide is a gas that absorbs heat and traps heat. And if Earth has too much carbon dioxide, then the planet will be very hot because the carbon dioxide captures all the heat that comes from the sun. Okay? And then when the planet becomes very hot, it is called global warming. Now, more about global warming. As people know that Earth orbits the sun. Okay? And sun is very hot. And when the sun's heat reaches Earth, it keeps our planet warm so that nothing freezes. But sometimes there is a lot of carbon dioxide on Earth that the sun's heat gets captured when it enters in the Earth's atmosphere, which results in global warming. Okay? Because see, the sun is huge, okay? It's not this small. The sun's over here, and then its heat reaches Earth. But when there's too many greenhouses on Earth, then more heat will stay inside and not come out. It'll be very hard for the heat to get out of here because carbon dioxide is keeping it inside the planet, in the planet's atmosphere. And then the planet will get into a very hot temperature. Then all the glaciers will melt. And much more. Now, these are the examples of global warming. These are the things that cause global warming, like gas from factories, burn of fossil fuels, gas coming out of cars, etc. Okay? So now how do we prevent global warming from attacking our planet and destroying almost everything? Well, to prevent global warming, there are some steps that people should take. First of all, number one, we need to use electronic vehicles. And then, because that are environment friendly, electronic vehicles don't give out that much carbon dioxide out of their back. Now next, you have to stop burning fossil fuels, because fossil fuels always cause lots of pollution in the air. Now, third, you have to try to reduce the amounts of greenhouses, because greenhouses have lots of carbon dioxide, which will make it more harder for global warming to strike. Okay, and it's fact time. The only fact we have today is that global warming is also known as the greenhouse effect, Because the greenhouses are the main problem of global warming. Wow, greenhouses, you are very mean but very helpful at the same time. I don't know what to name you. That's the end of today's episode. Hope you guys had lots of fun with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.